In this video we are going to create this nice looking crosshair inside Unreal Engine. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys doing well, and yeah, in this video we are going to take a look how we can create a simple crosshair inside Unreal Engine 4. So let's get started. But keep that in your mind, this method will work on Unreal Engine 4. So I mean Unreal Engine 5, it's not matter which engine you use, this is the same method. So I've just find this PNG crosshair. I'll leave a link in the description down below, you can find it. So download this image and import to your engine. So import my crosshair. Yeah, we have our crosshair. So in the previous videos we learned how we can create a aim offset, we learned how we can create a aim downside, we learned all this good stuff. So in this video let's create a crosshair so we can notice where we should shoot and where we aiming at. For creating our crosshair we need to create a new widget blueprint. Widget blueprint is basically I'm gonna call it a whiteboard, so we can attach everything we want in this widget blueprint. For example, if I gonna create a new weapon image, first I have to create a widget blueprint and put that weapon image inside this widget blueprint. So I've created the new widget. Right click, user interface, and widget blueprint. Create a new one, and I'm gonna call it hot, and for hot, just open it straight. Let's this is our entire scene, our entire video screen, and I'm gonna search for image in here, image. For the brush, choose your own crosshair. I'm gonna choose my crosshair and replace it here. Now we have our crosshair, but it is not what we're looking for, or just check this size to content. So keep this white. As you notice, this is not quite well, so I'm gonna uncheck this one, and I'm gonna anchor this one to the middle of the screen, right here, just in the middle of this screen. Now turn off this snapping so we can easily put this one in the middle. Compile. Now open your character. In the event begin play. Are we? Looks like we don't have an event begin play node, so we have to add it. Event begin play. So when we press play, this node will fire off. I'm gonna create a widget, and for the class I'm gonna choose my hot, and this is very important, on the return value we are going to say add to viewport and hit compile. So on the begin play, the engine will create this widget for us and attach it to our viewport screen. So if I hit play, now we able to see our crosshair. And let me equip my weapon. Now if I look here, see, this is our aiming, and now we can aim. And if you guys want to make it realistic, so in the while we aiming downside, we want you want to see this crosshair, you can easily, and right here I'm gonna promote this UCM value to a new variable, connect this one, call this one crosshair. Now on the aiming, let me first find the aiming. Here's the aim. I'm gonna get a reference and I think I'm gonna set a visibility to hidden and copy this one. I'm gonna set this one to visible and connect this one to our crosshair. So let me show you what we create. In the begin play we have our crosshair, and if I go to the aim down side we can see our crosshair, but if I release my mouse button we are able to see our crosshair. I hope you guys find this video helpful. By the way, in the next video we are going to create our ammo setup or reloading and other good stuff. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, just make sure to subscribe and leave a like in the video. It's helped me a lot go through the YouTube algorithm. Yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.